Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page for hashtag color and create with us. You rock art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art channel, and I'll have her link down below. So this week's page, let me explain. So this is an open collaboration that Rosemary is hosting over at her channel, and she asked if we wanted to purchase this large print coloring book on Amazon. You don't have to have this book. You can color whatever you want and come on and share. And my sorry, thing is all convoluted. Oh, there is a piece. Oh well, never mind. Anyway, she shows her page for the week, and then she lets us know which page to color next in her video. But if apparently there is a different version of this book. I guess it's because of printing, and some of the pages are different. But you don't need to color in this coloring book to be in the collaboration. You could just come on and color whatever you feel like coloring and share it on Mondays. So this week's coloring page is this cute little Nomi. I love how it turned out. I colored the palm trees. I was going to color the sky blue, but the water's already blue, or the ocean is already blue, and I was like, I'm not doing it. But I colored him up, and I shaded his beard because his beard is white. I colored his aloha shirt and his shorts to match his hat. Love the hat and the bag and the seashells and I call it plumeria. And then the starfish and the sand, and I just colored it all up. I just had a lot of fun coloring this page. So go ahead and click on that hashtag and see everybody else's coloring creations, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.